Hi guys! So today I'm going to show you how I did my Valentine's mani. Hopefully you can see these good. And now on this one I did a pale pink writing in the hearts. And then I have a couple samples that I already did I did white writing so that you could see the writing a little bit better. So we're going to go ahead and do a couple samples, show you how I did it. So I already prepared this nail. It's got True Gel's Baby Doll Pink. I love it. And I know it's really hard to see the pink in this, unfortunately, with my camera for some reason. But anyway, so I put a mat on it, so hopefully you can see it better. So we're going to start out with, I used 4 different plates, stamping plates. So this one is CJS. It's gorgeous. CJS V13, and we're going to use this for 2 of the images. So the first image we're going to use is right here. It's this lace one. And we're going to do that first right now. I'm using Born Pretty and Maniology stamping polish, but this real soft pink, kind of a powder pink we're doing is Born Pretty. And I'm going to put all the information in the information box for you of all the products that I use. So right now I'm putting on the stamping polish to pick up that lace. And okay. And I'm using Maniology scraping card. And my clear jelly stamper, Big Bling. So let me get off what I don't need. Okay. So there's that. That's what the lace looks like. Really pretty. And we're just going to line that up at the top of, on this, the top of the tip, and try and get the point in the middle as best you can. If it's not exactly perfect, don't worry about it. If you're, of course, if you're doing it on a finger on your nail, then, it's still going to be up at the same place. And the nice thing is that with doing it this way, it doesn't, your nails don't have to be as long as this. They can be shorter, and you can still use this lace on here real pretty. So let's go ahead and we'll do the second image, which is off the same plate, and it is the heart. I'm just going to use this. I'm not going to do the lacy, the second layer. I'm only going to do the first layer. It's going to have that solid heart right there. Okay, so I'm going to use Clear Jelly Stampers, a really beautiful pearl red, and I'm going to use that to do the heart. Now when I'm doing the blank spaces, I like to put my card down kind of low-ish and scrape diagonal. I usually have better luck when I do it that way, usually. So, and then I pick it up from a different direction, roll it from a different direction. Okay, so there's my heart. And so let's get that on. And I'm going to just put it kind of on a diagonal and up kind of towards, you'll just have to go by the size of your nail, to figure out, to get it to look like that. To see, you just want it on your lace, and you want it kind of like diagonal. So, or however you, want it to look. So then we're going to the second plate. And the second one we're going to do just a little bit of writing across it. And this one is by Q Girl 017. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little smidgen of writing right here, because I want to try and keep it in my heart. So I'm going to use white. Well, I used like this. I'll show you if I can see where I put it at. Okay, here we go. So I use this Maniology's really pretty pale pink. I don't know if you can see the color on here, but I'm not sure it's going to show up really good on here is the only thing. I mean, I guess we could do it. I did white on those other ones, but I kind of like the softer pink look. So we're just going to take a little bit off right, like just a little section. So wherever you want to do it at, but I'm going to do it like right here. Just because I only want enough to put in that heart. Now I'll take off what I don't want. Okay, so hopefully you can see it. That's all I'm going to use, just right there. And then I'm going to put it, let me turn it this direction. I'm just going to put it inside my heart. Just so it's writing across my heart, basically, like that. And roll it off. And there you go. See? I just love that. Okay, so next we're going to do the bird. We're going to put the bird on it next, and that's layered. And that one's on a clear jelly stamper plate. This one right here. And this one is CJS 30. I love this, but I love birds. So we're going to use this one up here. We're not going to do, this is all one bird layers, but we're not going to use all those layers. We're just going to use this one and that one. So first we're going to do this one in white. That's going to be our base layer. Do that little bird in some white. And I'm using Born Pretty White. You know, you can use whatever white you like. Scraping sort of diagonal-ish. Get my bird on here, get off what I don't want. Okay, so there's the first layer on the bird. And I'm going to kind of offset the bird. So let me see on my nails. Yeah, so I'm just going to kind of put it covering that tip of that heart, but so that it's also over this way a little bit more. Okay, so let me line it up. And it's still on the lace. I don't know if you'll be able to see that or not, because that lace, I know that pink is really hard to see on this camera. But I hope you can see it. There's the bird. Okay, so now we're going to do the next layer on the bird. So now we're going to do this. It's by Clear Jelly Stamper. I love this green. It's gorgeous. I can't remember the name of the color, but it's 044. Like I said, I'll put it all in the information box. So it's kind of a moss to limeish green, and it's pearl. Love their pearls. So we're going to go ahead and scrape that and roll. And let me take off what I don't want. Okay. Come on, card. There we go. So there's my little green bird. And we're going to put that over this white. We want to give it some. Okay, so there it is upside down. And let me roll it over, turn it over so you can see it. I hope you can see that bird. And then now you can, if you like it like this, the bird, you can leave it like that if you want it to have a softer look like that. But I wanted to do brown over mine. That's how I did these. I did brown over my birds to give it a little more contrast. And I'm just going to go over that same image. The same, okay, wait. Actually, I'm going to go over this one this time. I'm going to go over that one. So it has a little more, you know, detail, but it shows that green through. I want to see some of that green through. You know, and you could have done the green on the one I'm doing brown too. Just do the white on that one, green, and then layer brown. You know, however, but. Okay, so we're going to roll. Let me take off what I don't want. Okay, just a sec. Okay, there we go. So there's the brown bird. Can you see it, I hope? Yeah, here's the brown bird. So we're going to put it over this little bird. And if you want to offset a little bit, so you have a shadow of the green, you can. I did just a little bit, you know, but you can do it however you like it better. But see, now you can see the bird a little better. And he's got a teeny bit of that, you know, mossy shadow to him. Okay, and then the only thing else we're going to do is we're going to put Be Mine and brown at the bottom. So, as you can see on mine, hopefully, see the Be Mine right here. We're going to do that now. And this one is a Lena plate. This is our 4th plate. But you know, if you have different plate that you like the bird on, you can do that. Or if you have writing or whatever on a different plate, you know, you can use whatever you want. But this is the one we're going to use right here. Be Mine in script at the top of this plate. And this plate is Lena's All About Love 01. So I'm going to turn it this way. I'm going to use my Maniologies brown stamping polish. And I'm going to scrape. And I'm going to roll. Okay, and there it is. It's really fine. I hope you can see it. There we go. And I got to get it on. Hopefully it didn't dry already. And I'm just going to put it kind of in the middle underneath our little scene. So I just love these. They kind of, to me, they look, okay, let me roll this off, careful. Okay, there it is. Kind of like a vintage Valentine's card. I'm absolutely been really loving my mani. It's been so fun. Really, really love it. Okay, so now all I would do is let it dry for a minute, and then I would use my Maniology Smudge Free Top Coat, because that's absolutely my favorite. And if you've watched any of my other tutorials, you have no doubt about that now. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and I want to get a generous amount. I'm going to go down the center first, and then I'm going to go down this, oops, the sides. I think I kind of got too much on there. Let me get some of that off of my other one that I got it on. So no smudges. And after you let this dry for a couple minutes, you know, after you're sure it's dry, you could always put on some gel polish over it if you wanted to. You could put, you know, a gel top coat, shiny or matte, you know, however. Or you can leave it like this. Anyway, really pretty. So we can do another one real quick. Let's let that one dry. And we'll do another one. Even though you probably already got it down, let's do it anyway. Okay, so hopefully I'll be able to use these second time without having to clean them. Actually, I probably should just clean over it anyway. Just make sure that it picks up really good, especially on the lace and the fine lines. So let's do that. I'll clean that off real quick. Clean off my bird and my writing. There we go. Hopefully that is all we need. Okay, so we're gonna do another one real quick, hopefully. And I'm gonna start again with my kind of powdery pink and pick this lace up. I love this lace. I love this whole plate though. It's just gorgeous. But anyway, really fun lace. And there it is, but we're going to use it this way. So let's get it on our nail. So let me do it. Actually, let me see if I can get this. I don't know if I'll get it any straighter going this way or not, but there we go. Okay, so you press it down and just gently roll it from side to side. And hopefully you can see that. I put it where it's darker, maybe you can see it a little bit better. Okay, so now we're going to do our heart next. After I clean off using my lint roller to clean off my stamper. And we're going to do that clear jelly red. It's gorgeous. Do our heart. Okay. And I'm going to scrape diagonal. And we'll roll. There we go. And take off what I don't want over here. So I don't want to get that on my nail. There's our heart. And we're going to do it offset. So kind of up there. Okay. There we go. And now let's do our writing. So I wonder if I should do white so you could see it better this time. I think we'll do white this time. But I did use that pale pink. But we're using our little writing plate again, and I'm just going to take a little section. This time I'm doing it white, so it's going to really pop. Okay, take off what we don't want over here. Okay, so there's the white, and then we're just going to put that over the heart. So that it looks like there's writing on the heart. Okay, so we'll see how the white pops even more. So if you want more contrast, then the white. If you want it more subtle, more soft like my nails, the writing is on my nails, you know, then you would want to use that soft pink. Okay, so next we go to the bird, and we're going to do white first on our little bird. And then once again, we're doing this one here first. We're going to do the white. Okay, I'm going to turn this way. Okay, I'm going to scrape. I'm going to roll. There's our bird. It's our base bird. And then we're going to offset that over, kind of cover up part of the end of the heart and still on the lace. Okay, there we go. All right, and then we're going to do the lime green, moss green, lime green. And like I said, if you want, you can either do the lime green on this one or you can do it on that one. So let's do it on this time. Last time we did it on that one. This time let's do it on this one. And then we'll also do the brown over the same one we do this green on this time. I don't know if you'll see any difference or not, but we'll do it anyway, just in case. So now there's the green one. Okay, and we're going to just go over the white one. Just line it up, and we're going to go over the white bird. The white base bird, like that. Okay, and then now we're going to do it in brown. Same, this last image, this one here, the one that's more detailed, this one's more detailed than that one. We're going to do this in brown also. So really easy. This mani is really easy. I mean, it's a little time consuming because you're doing, you know, different plates, I guess, but pretty easy, pretty quick, especially once you get your first one done, and you know, they go faster after that. So there's the little brown bird. So let's cover him up. Let me see if I can line him up. I'm going to offset him a little bit, leave a little bit of a shadow at the top of him. So I want some of that green to show through. There we go. Really cute. And then we're going to do our Be Mine at the bottom again in brown. Our fourth plate, our Lena plate, and it's right here. We're going to do that again. Need some brown, Maniology brown. Scrape, and we're going to roll, and there we go. There's our Be Mine, so you can see it. And we're just going to line it up once again in the middle underneath all that we've already done. Okay, so press and gently roll from side to side, and there we go. There's our pretty little Valentine. Okay, so same thing we would do is we would once again let it dry for a minute, and then we put our smudge free, Maniology smudge free, get a generous amount, and then we're going to go down the middle and side to side like that. No smudges. Awesome. Okay, so let's put this over here and put them all on here. So there's only one that we're not doing. It's going to be on here. So that's how we did it. And let me see, the pink one, like mine are, exactly like mine are, is right here with the pink writing. Everything else is the same. We did the pink writing on here. See, it's softer, more subtle. And then the rest of these have the white writing, but everything else is the same. So there we go. So I hope this helps. I hope you have a happy Valentine's Day. And you know, this mani could be used any time of the year, really. Love is good anytime. So thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and click on the bell icon so you'll get a notice on my next new tutorial, which will be really soon. Thanks so much, guys. Bye.